Okay, number 6. Okay, you got a complex fraction. What you want to do is turn your numerator into one fraction, and then your denominator into one fraction, and you're simply dividing fractions. What do we need to add or subtract fractions?
Common denominator.
Common denominator is very good. So right now I've got a 1 and a 2 up here. So what's my common denominator going to be? 2. So I need to multiply this by 2 over 2. And on the bottom I'm all set. So up top I've got x over 2 minus 8 over 2 over x over 3 minus 8 over 3. So I combine that numerator into x minus 8 over 2 over x minus 8 over 3. So I've got a fraction divided by a fraction. We'll flip the bottom one and multiply. So it'll be x minus 8 over 2 times 3 over x minus 8, which simplifies into 3 halves. Any questions? Okay, number 7. Alright, same thing. We need common denominators. So what is this one missing that this one has? What's this side missing? 2, right? And then this one? 3x. What's this one missing? 6 over 6. And this one? X over x, good. Alright, so we should have common denominators now. I've got 4 over 6x minus 3x over 6x, all over 6 over 6x plus x over 6x. And combine my numerators into one fraction now. It'll be 4 minus 3x all over 6x divided by 6 plus x over 6x. So now we're going to flip the bottom one and multiply. There's 3x over 6x times 6x over 6 plus x. These simplify out, so I'm just left with 4 minus 3x over 6 plus x. Any questions? All right, number 8. All right, I need common denominators, add or subtract fractions. What's the first fraction missing? First denominator missing that the other two have? 2. How about the second denominator? What's it missing?
14.
And the last one? 7x. All right. Don't forget to distribute. So that'll give me 2x minus 10 over 14x squared plus 56x over 14x squared minus 42x over 14x squared. Alright, so I got common denominators. We'll keep the denominator and then add and subtract the numerators. So that gives me 2x minus 10 plus 56x minus 42x. Combine some like terms. What's that going to give me up top? 58 minus 42?
56 minus 42.
But plus the 2.
Oh,
58 minus 42? 16x minus 10 all over 14x squared. And all those numbers can be divided by 2. So 8x minus 5 over 7x squared. Any questions on number 8? All right, number 9. All right, so we got an equation this time. When I get done, we should have x equals a number. What do we want to do here?
Simplify the.
Factor, we want to get common denominators for every single term, right? Once we get that, because it's an equation, we can cross them out, right? All right, so we have 4x plus 3 minus x plus 1. What is that bottom factoring to?
X minus 7 plus 3.
All right, let's get common denominators now. What is the first denominator missing?
x minus 7.
Let's see, x minus 7. And this one's missing the x plus 3, right? All right, so we'll distribute. All right, so I've got common denominators for every term in the equation. So basically, if you just multiply both sides by that denominator, you can cross them out. Remember, that's only for equations. Right, so what we have left is 4x minus 28. Don't forget to distribute that negative. Minus x minus 1 equals 5x plus 15. Combine some like terms on the left. We have 3x minus 29 minus 5x, add the 29. So I got negative 2x is equal to 44. And divide by negative 2. X is equal to negative 22. Any questions on number 9? Yes, sir.
You can only cross the denominators if it's an equation.
Absolutely. Okay. Because if it's not an equation, think of it just this side. That has a value and that has a value. I mean, if you got a fraction, you just take the denominator away, it's not the same number.
Yeah, so,
But if it's an equation, and I've got the same denominator for everything, I can basically multiply both sides by that denominator, and then cross out.
oh, yes.
Alright. Ready for number 10? Alright. Alright, logs again. 4 times. Isn't 8 the same thing as 2 cubed? Yes? And log base 2 of 1, what is that? 0, very good. Remember, no matter what this base is, if you're taking the log of 1, it's always 0.
So you guys aren't doing anything? I saw this. Did you guys do this already today?
Joke of the day.